In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a design system in Figma. A design system is your project's single source of truth. Colors, colors, typography, components, and patterns that keep every screen consistent and easy to maintain. We'll keep this simple and practical. You'll start by finding a solid foundation, tailor it to your brand, and then bring it into your working file so you can design faster with confidence. First, head to the Figma community. Open Figma, and from your home screen, go to the community area. This is where creators share ready-to-use files, including complete design systems. Think of it as a library you can learn from, borrow, and build on. Make sure you're signed in so you can open and save files to your drafts as you go. Next, search for design systems. Use the search bar and type design systems. You'll see a variety of options: web-focused kits, mobile-first systems, minimalist styles, and more. Open a few to preview what's inside. Look for clear component organization, defined color and text styles, and documentation right on the canvas. Choose something that aligns with your platform and product needs. If you need only parts, like buttons or form fields, that's fine too. Pick whatever you need and make sure the structure feels understandable to you. Once you've selected a system, you can now customize it. Open the file and work from a copy in your drafts so you don't overwrite the original. Update the color styles to match your brand palette. Adjust typography to your chosen typefaces and sizes, and rename components to fit your team's naming conventions. Tidy up pages, add usage notes, and remove anything you won't use to keep things lean. If the system includes grids, spacing scales, or icons, align those to your guidelines. When editing components, keep variants and auto layout intact so everything stays responsive and easy to maintain. Take a moment to test a few common UI patterns, like cards, forms, and nav bars, to make sure your adjustments look cohesive. When you're happy with the result, use it in your own design by copying it into your working Figma file. Copy over the components, styles, or even an entire page, and paste them into your project. As you design, insert components as instances so updates flow consistently. If something isn't quite right, return to your component source, adjust it once, and let the changes propagate. And that's it. Congratulations. You found a system, made it your own, and brought it into your workflow, setting yourself up for faster, more consistent design work.